Setup guide for the stacked display box. Step 1. Pull everything out of the box. Let's open up the packaging. Here we can see the assembly instructions. The box has 6 separate parts you have to assemble. First we grab the back panel. This has the circuit board and the cables. These 2 small panels are the side panels. Clip them into the back panel. Make sure that the cables are facing outwards. Now we grab the base. This contains the lights and the switch. Place the rest of the assembled shelf into the base. Now clip the top panel on and we are almost done. You will end up with something like this, stable and sturdy. Lastly, we have the clear front panel. Clip this into the place and your unit is done. When you are stacking multiple boxes, make sure that the cables on the back are plugged into their designated ports. This is how it should look from the back. Just plug it into the mains power and now you're good to go with your stacked display box.